Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to help promote our website and our floor and decor blog. The topic of the day is Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet, in particular Mohawk SmartStrand Silk Carpet. So before I get into that topic, I do want to tell you a little bit about our site. We're Best Rug Prices, and we're BestRugPrices.com, and what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you could probably guess, what we write about in our blog is floor covering. We have all kind of articles on product reviews. We do flooring maintenance and cleaning tips. We have articles on how to put together a flooring budget if you're thinking about doing something in your home but you don't know how much it's going to cost. We have articles that can help you with that. We also have articles on our strategies that you can take into your local store to help save you money when you're looking for floor covering. So I'm going to put the link to our page in the description box below this video. We'd love for you to come check us out. All of our information is completely free. There's no membership charge or anything like that. So we'd love for you to come visit us. Our most recent blog post is about SmartStrand Carpet. And we call it our SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide, but it's really more of a resource guide for you for a SmartStrand carpet. It talks about everything, not only the cleaning guide, but also information in the warranty that stores may or may not tell you. For example, when you buy a Mohawk SmartStrand carpet, in the warranty it states that you have to use one of their approved vacuum cleaners or your warranty won't be any good. So in our article we list the 40 or so vacuum cleaners that are approved by Mohawk. So in many cases for people, that means after you buy your flooring, you've got to go out and spend a couple $100s on a vacuum cleaner. So, and some stores maybe, they're not going to share that information with you. So we do in that article. And not only in the article do we talk about warranty information, but we talk about what exactly is SmartStrand carpet, and what it's made of. Is it any good? We have videos in the article. We have resource links that we direct you to with a lot of specific information. So again, I'll put the link to the article in the description box of this video. And if you're in the market for SmartStrand carpet, I think it's really worth a read. So if you're not familiar with Mohawk SmartStrand carpet, I just switched screens to the Mohawk website, and Mohawk is one of the major manufacturers of floor covering in the country and probably worldwide, and they are the ones that make SmartStrand carpet. Now within SmartStrand there's different product lines, and what we're talking about today is this SmartStrand silk product right here. So it's a product that's been around for several years, and it's a very soft carpet. It's great for excuse me, it's great for wear, it's great for spills, it's fantastic for pet protection. And within the Mohawk website here, you've got the PDF for the warranty. They do a lot of information on their website to help you understand what Mohawk SmartStrand Silk is. So I'm not going to go into all their pages to talk about it. I just kind of wanted to show you where it's at. And rather than go into it in great detail, again, this video is to help promote our article about SmartStrand carpet. And I'm going to put the link in the description box. But if you want to know what SmartStrand silk carpet is, well, what it's made of, and really anything about SmartStrand carpet and whether it's a good buy or not, I would definitely recommend that you read this article, because it's just a wealth of information. We spent a lot of time putting this article together, and it's probably one of the best articles that's out there on the internet right now about SmartStrand carpet. Thanks.